Nuheara IQbuds at $225. This is a good drop in an interesting hybrid product. The Nuheara IQbuds, our best selection of sound quality and our guide to the best personal sound amplification products, are also true wireless headphones enabled with Bluetooth 4.2. That makes them a solid value proposition at this price. The Nuheara IQbuds are our top sound selection in our guide to the best personal sound amplification devices. Shannon Palus wrote, "Of all the devices we tested, the Nuheara IQbuds sounded the best and had the most customization options, with 7 default listening modes for different environments in addition to the ability to adjust if the high frequencies were emphasized, or we would be happy to exchange these headphones for standard wireless headsets in many situations, which is more than we can say for most PSAPs, including our main selection. They even look like wireless headphones. While we used them, it was uncomfortable to have conversations with people who did not know they amplified the external sounds. However, the battery life is terrible. The yolks should be recharged after approximately 5 hours if you use them both to listen and to transmit music or receive calls via Bluetooth." We also discovered that the onboard controls were easy to hit accidentally. Researchers have not yet evaluated how IQbuds compare with hearing aids. The return period of Nuheara is typical for 30 days.